What is up, YouTube? It's JK here, and I'm here with another Minecraft tutorial. Okay, so in this one, I'll be showing you guys how to set up a Minecraft server on a PC. So, first, you want to start by going to your desktop and creating a new folder and call it whatever you want. For me, I'm just going to call it server test. Okay, and now what you want to do is you want to go to here. This link would be the first link in the description. And you want to copy right down here about halfway down the page. It says setting up the Minecraft server. You want to copy this whole code. It's gonna copy kind of funky, but you want to copy it. And then you want to open up text edit, and then you want to paste it, and then you want to highlight it all again and change it and go to format and click make plain text. This is very important. And then you go to file, save as, then you call it start dot command. It has to be dot command. That is extremely important. And then you want to change it to the saving location, and I'm going to save it directly into the server test folder. Okay, great. We got the start.command, but there's no craft buckets. So now we're going to have to go to the Bukkit website. This is the bukkit.org homepage. Over here on the right side, it's going to say recommended build for Craftbukkit. And we'll click that and download the latest recommended build. And I'm going to get all that download. And then I'm going to drag it into here. Okay, so I'm going to open up the start.command. Open it with text edit only this one time. And right over here where it says Minecraft server.jar, change that Minecraft server to Craftbukkit. And then don't forget to save it. And then if you're still with me at this point, you are gold. If not, just go back and rewind and watch it again. Then with the Craftbukkit, you want to go to get more information, and down here at the name and extensions, you want to change this to craftbukkit.jar, just like that. And then you want to close out of that, and it'll automatically change it. Okay, so now we're going to have to give this permission to access this file. So you would like to go down to your applications. My bad, not your applications. You want to go up here to the spotlight and look up terminal. It's right here. And you're going to want to open this up, and this is very important, the most important part almost. Type chmod space a plus not equals x. So that is chmod space a plus x space. And now you want to drag this into here and press enter. And boom, we just gave it permission. So now what you want to do is you want to go to the third link, which is going to take you here. And you want to scroll down to download the application. This is PortMap. This is not a virus, guys. Don't worry, I would never do that. And now you just want to drag that onto your desktop. And in the next part, some things may be blurred out for my IP address reasons. Okay, so when you open it up, you should see something similar like this. If you see something up here that says router incompatible, I cannot help you at this point. I'm sorry, you're just going to have to try to find a different way, just inbox me and I'll try to help you. Okay, so you want to make sure that this says on, and you want to come down here, click the plus, and then type in 25565 for the local port, and the desired port would automatically do it. And you want to add it to the mapping. Okay, so there we go. We got the port open. Everything. If you're still with me, you are like on fire gold right now. That is amazing. Then, this is very important also. If you want to run your server, you must have this open. This application has to be on. You can minimize it, but it has to be open. Do not quit it. Okay, so now we're going to go ahead and run our start.command by double clicking it. And all this mumbo jumbo stuff will pop up. This is the time when it's going to generate the files. And then, as soon as it's done preparing spawn, I'm going to go ahead and stop the server. And now we wait. It's gonna prepare to spawn for all 3 dimensions because we are using Craftbukkit. And it's done because I know this because it says done at the bottom. Now on the bottom of here, you want to type stop. No slash, just stop. And then it will close the server and it should start closing everything down. And when it says process complete, you can go ahead and close that. Don't ever close that while the port is running because you'll screw up the whole port thing. Then you're going to have to restart your computer if it's still up and running. So just don't ever close it out. Always do slash stop. I mean stop. Okay, so now we're going to change up the properties a bit and go over the properties. You want to go to the server properties. Right click and go to open with, and then you want to put always open with text edit. You always want to open this with text edit. And then when you open it, this box will appear. This looks like a whole bunch of mumbo jumbo. Just stick with me. We can make it through this together. Allow another, pretty straightforward, true. Don't mess with the level name. The enable query, that is false. I keep that on false. Allow flight. Do you want players to be able to fly in your game? The server port, keep that 25565 because that's what's matching up over here. Then the level that leave that default, and super archon, leave that false. The level seed, I believe you can input a seed there. The server IP, leave that blank if you're using this video to help you. The max build height, 256 is an excellent build height. Do you want NPC villagers to spawn? Do you want your server to have a whitelist? I keep that on false because I let players run my server. Do you want chickens, cows, and pigs and all them good critters to spawn? Snooper enabled, leave that true because that sends Minecraft information about your server, telling them like exactly how it's running and how they can help improve you and just make Minecraft a lot more fun. Hardcore mode, if you set this to true, once you die you will not be able to rejoin the game. Texture pack, you can make a default texture pack for your server or set it to one. I'm not quite sure how to do that. You're going to have to watch someone else's video. Sorry. Online mode, true. If this is set to true, it has to be a premium members. Premium members can only join if it's set to true. If you set this to false, this lets hackers join the server with the craziest usernames, and it's also a cracked server when you set to false. So down here where it says PvP true, do you want player versus player? That means they can like kill each other. The difficulty, keep that on 1. I would recommend the game mode. 0 for survival, 1 for creative, and 2 for adventure. Max players, I always keep mine on 20, but you can set to whatever you want. Do you want monsters to spawn? Generate structures, view distance, keep that on 10. And down here you can change the message of the day. So I'm going to type in NetGI JK's YouTube. Just to show you guys that this really works. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and exit, make sure that you save it. And Now, we are going to go ahead and start up the server. I'm going to go ahead and close it out of this server folder. And I'm going to go ahead and download Minecraft. Okay, so I just downloaded Minecraft, and I think we are ready. The reason why the public port is a 32769, that's because I have other servers running at 25565. But for you, that should be 25565. Just don't worry about me. That's because I'm running servers already. And let me sign into Minecraft. And we are logging on successfully. Okay, what you want to do is you want to add a server. You can call it whatever you want for the sake of this video. I'm going to call it test. And then right up here, you want to type in this, and then colon, and then the public port number. So for me, I would type N8.166.152.46 colon 255, no, 32769. And there we go. There's my server. We're going to go ahead and sign on. And we have joined. And if you try to break blocks around spawn, you cannot. You'll be unsuccessful. The way to fix this is you're going to have to take this to terminal, type OP space the player name. So in this case, I'm going to type in my gamer tag, and I opt myself. So now I'm able to break blocks at spawn. That is fantastic, right? Yeah. I'm probably not going to install plugins, but there are lots of videos on how. Message me, and if you guys want to know how, I'll make a video about it, because I love to show you guys how to do awesome things. So remember to like, comment, rate, and subscribe. And this is Nethier JK, and all the questions you have, just put them in the comments and I will answer them. This is Nethier JK, and peace.